Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we will learn how to lock your RBC client card online. We will also include links for some of the banking products we recommend in the description below. To start, open the website rbcroyalbank.com, then click on the Sign In button. On the field provided, enter the client card or username. Then click on Next. Next, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a tab that says Profile and Account Settings. Click on Profile and Account Settings. On the left side of the screen, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Account Management. Under Manage Cards, you will see an option for Card Lock. Click on Card Lock. Beside your RBC client card, you will see a toggle switch. Click on the toggle button to lock your card. That's how you lock your RBC client card online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.